Hello, my name is Desha Douglas, and I'm a student here at JTech, and today I will be performing a inspection on the clutch disc and flywheel on this 3500 Ram diesel 2000. It's a bad boy, but we're going to get to work on it. Alright, of course, you have to remove your transmission, which we already have gotten out already. And right here is your clutch pack. This is the actual clutch. And you have 2, 4, 6, 8 bolts to take out. Behind here will be your flywheel. We're going to disassemble it. We'll sit it on the table and find out what the specs are. And with certain tools, the micrometer, make sure it's a good clutch pack and a good flywheel. Alright, once you get your clutch and your flywheel disassembled, you want to get to a table, a sturdy table, safe area where it won't fall. You know, right here, you have your clutch. And your clutch right here, you have your flywheel. Now, we're going to start with the clutch. There could be one reason that your clutch would be bad. If you smell you smell that strong smell of burning sensation, that could be one reason it's bad. It's not. It can't be the main reason, but that could be one reason. All right. On the plate right here, you got burn marks. That is a sign of a bad clutch. Whoever was driving this bad boy burnt it up. I'm talking about burnt it up good. But other ways and other reasons, you might see cracks in here. You might see wear and tear, especially on the plate right here. You can see cracks, scuffed up and wear and tear, especially that smell. So this bad boy right here needs to be replaced ASAP. I wouldn't put that back in my truck. I wouldn't recommend it neither. Now with the flywheel, this right here, this tool, is micrometer. You want to measure each side, 4 points to 4 points, to get an accurate reading. Now, anything under 1.490 is a bad flywheel. Right now, we done read it already. We went around on these 4 points. It's reading 1.492. To me, it's bad. Why would I want to put a 1.492 back into a truck 2 months, 3 months later down the line? It may be up under 1.490, so I would not put this back in my truck. Another way, same thing with the clutch, you'll see burn marks. You got burn marks all through here where the clutch has been burning up. Either they've been revving it or doing donuts and didn't take out the right gear and it burnt up. Another sign is cracks through the plate. And once again, the smell. This is a bad flywheel. I replaced this whole clutch pack. Now, that right there is inspecting a clutch and a flywheel together. You want to make sure you always have your safety goggles. Me, I don't use any gloves. I'm a bad boy. I like to get my hands dirty. You can use gloves, protect yourself, but make sure you always protect yourself. And that was the assembly of the fly clutch. Okay, once you get the specs for your flywheel and your clutch plate, you want to get your flywheel back into position, reassemble. But before you reassemble with your air gun, you're going to use your torque wrench to make sure you torque it down to the right specs. Now, the specs for a Dodge Ram 3500 is 90 pounds. So make sure you set your torque wrench up right, because if you don't, the customer might ride down the road and the post might just pop on out with that pressure. So make sure you find your specs for any vehicle you're doing on the flywheel or your torque wrench. Alright, once you get your flywheel torqued down to the right specs, you want to get your alignment adjustment tool. This here is a tool to help you get your clutch adjusted in the right place. Because if you don't get it adjusted in the right place, it's going to be off balance. So make sure you use the proper tools, the proper equipment to get everything aligned up. Because you do not want your customer coming back with problems. You do not want your customer coming back suing you because of the problem that happened down the line. So make sure you use your right specs torques and your adjustment alignment tool. Alright, once you get your clutch disc, your clutch on, and use your clutch alignment, you got your clutch disc lined up, and center, you want to go ahead and tighten your bolts up. Always make sure the clutch disc is centered, because if you don't, it'll be rocking, it'll be shaking, you might tear something up. So make sure everything is centered around the clutch in the middle of the total right. And that there will complete your reassembly and disassembly of the clutch disc flywheel.